Welcome to Market Research Guru, your ultimate guide to understanding the dynamic world of business insights. Have you ever wondered how successful businesses consistently make the right decisions, launch winning products, or effectively reach their target customers? The secret often lies in a powerful tool, marketing research. It's the systematic process of gathering, analyzing, and interpreting data about customers, competitors, and the market. This process helps organizations understand their market landscape, identify opportunities, and mitigate risks, ensuring their strategies are data-driven and effective. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to Market Research Guru for more expert insights and practical advice to elevate your marketing game. So, what specific problems does marketing research solve for businesses? Firstly, it helps in understanding customer needs and preferences. Businesses can uncover what their target audience truly desires, leading to products and services that resonate. Secondly, it aids in competitive analysis. By studying rivals, companies can identify their strengths and weaknesses, allowing them to carve out a unique market position. Thirdly, marketing research evaluates market potential. It assesses the size and growth prospects of a market, guiding decisions on expansion or new product introductions. Finally, it optimizes marketing strategies. Research helps determine the most effective channels, messaging, and pricing to reach customers efficiently. Now, let's explore the core methodologies of marketing research, qualitative versus quantitative approaches. Qualitative research delves into the why behind consumer behavior. It explores opinions, motivations, and experiences through methods like focus groups, in-depth interviews, and observational studies. This approach provides rich, nuanced insights that quantitative data alone might miss, offering a deeper understanding of human perspectives. On the other hand, quantitative research focuses on measurable data and statistics. It answers questions like how many or how much using surveys, questionnaires, and experiments. This method allows for statistical analysis, identifying patterns, trends, and making generalizations across larger populations. Both qualitative and quantitative methods are crucial and often complement each other, providing a comprehensive view of the market. So, who exactly uses marketing research, and why is it so vital across different sectors? Aspiring marketers use it to develop effective campaigns and understand consumer psychology, building a strong foundation for their careers. Business students leverage research to analyze market dynamics, prepare compelling case studies, and gain a competitive edge in their academic pursuits. Entrepreneurs rely on it to validate business ideas, identify niche markets, and minimize risks before launching new ventures. Essentially, anyone looking to make informed decisions in a competitive marketplace benefits immensely from marketing research. Let's look at some real-world examples to illustrate the power of marketing research. Consider a tech company developing a new smartphone. Through extensive surveys and focus groups, they discovered a strong demand for enhanced battery life and camera quality. This research directly influenced their product development, leading to a highly successful launch that met consumer expectations. Another example is a food delivery service. By analyzing customer feedback and market trends, they identified a growing preference for healthier meal options. They then expanded their menu to include organic and vegetarian dishes, significantly increasing their market share and customer satisfaction. These cases demonstrate how data-driven insights translate into tangible business success. In conclusion, marketing research is an indispensable tool for navigating the complexities of today's business environment. It empowers businesses to understand their customers, outmaneuver competitors, and make strategic decisions that drive growth and innovation. Looking ahead, the future of marketing research will be shaped by advancements in artificial intelligence, big data analytics, and predictive modeling. These technologies will enable even more precise and real-time insights, further revolutionizing how businesses connect with their markets. Thank you for joining us on Market Research Bureau. We hope this full explanation has provided you with a clear understanding of marketing research. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your network, and subscribe for more valuable content from Market Research Bureau.